So here we are in Moose Brook State Park. And what an absolutely beautiful campsite it is. So this is our campsite. This is site number 36. And they even put reserved with your name and everything. I really like that because we came in really late at night. Check-in process was super easy. Basically, they just said come tomorrow morning because we got in real late on Friday night. But the prices are very reasonable for the site itself. But this is an absolutely beautiful campsite. I can't get over how nice and private it is. As you can see, I mean, the entire site is completely surrounded by trees. Right? You can only really see, there's a car through there, the next campsite, but very, very nice campsite. The bathhouses are very well maintained, and the showers, you do have to pay quarters for the showers, but the showers are extremely comfortable, and they're very large too, so you can actually probably put 2 people in there. Anyway though, but Moose Brook State Park, very nice, very good value for money. And again, the people here are very, very nice. Nobody has been rowdy at night. Everyone's been very quiet, very respectful. Overall, I think there's about 50 different campsites to choose from. We just happen to get one of the more private ones. They do have field camping, they have group camping, but if you're ever in the Gorham, New Hampshire area, it really is a very good option, especially if you want to, like I said, do some camping. And you're only about 17 minutes away. You're only about 17 minutes away from Mount Washington. So that's what we're actually going to go do today. So go check out Mount Washington.